Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this super colored and super cool summer bracelet with beads using some leftovers yarn. For this project I use some leftovers of mantra from Mondial. I've made several tutorials with this beautiful yarn. I will leave all the links in the description box. A 5mm hook, I will use this from Prym, and a little lobster clasp, and of course some beads. I will use these large wooden beads. So first we insert the beads using a tapestry needle. Try on your wrist leaving a little space without beads, and 9 beads are enough for me. Okay, now we do a slip knot, then chain 5. Now pay attention, we slide the first wooden bead and grab the yarn with the bead inserted, then we do a single crochet. So now chain 3, slide the bead, then we do 1 single crochet. And repeat this for all beads. So first chain 3, slide the bead, the next bead, then we do 1 single crochet, and continue to do this until the end of this row. So now we are going to work in the opposite side. So first chain 4, then we move directly under the single crochet between the beads, the single crochet of the previous row here. Insert the hook here where we do another single crochet. And now chain 3, then we jump into the next single crochet of the previous row, insert the hook here, then we do 1 single crochet, chain 3, then we do 1 single crochet under the single crochet of the previous row, and continue to repeat this until the end of this row. So now chain 4, then we do a slip stitch into the first chain to complete the bracelet. So now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails into the bracelet. And now we are ready to sew the little lobster clasp using a simple thread and needle. The manta bracelet is now complete, and I want to show you some other ideas. Look, for example, at this deep blue, and look at this red and yellow too. I didn't put a lobster clasp, but I left 2 small tails to tie it around the wrist and do a cute bow. These bracelets are really quick and funny to make, and I think is very cute and very summery. This is a great project for the beginners and a perfect handmade gift for yourself, for friends and family members. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. If you make your mantra bracelet, remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook and put the hashtag #braccialettomania. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love.